Lord, have mercy. Nice.
What's good? What's good? What's good? Let me see if I can put this on here. Boop. All right, what's up, y'all? So as you can see, we in the gym. I told y'all we was not playing. We gonna get some of this hippie-wation slim down. So if you hear some stuff in the background, don't even worry about that. You ain't got nothing to do with you. You have a business right now, right? So I found 2 workouts online that I wanted to try on Instagram, and I'll be sure to tag their Instagram as well. So I'm gonna try them. I don't know what I'm doing. You feel me? So we still got to do things. And with that being said, we gonna do the things. But before we get into it, these leggings, this is Old Navy, okay? Old Navy. And in the sports bra, I'm gonna try to do this without making too much noise. Sports bra match, because you gotta coordinate, right? Old Navy, yeah. So I'll link that as well if I can. I don't know how that works exactly. So yeah, we just trying things, okay? So let me know if you like this. If you don't, keep it to yourself. Because you know the girls who get it, and the girls who don't. So if this is your kind of content, stick around. If it's not, then maybe it's okay. It's okay. What they say, if it don't, wait, what's the saying? I feel like Shauna right now. Shauna don't know no sayings. If it don't apply, let it fly. You feel me? Like, you ain't got to bring the negativities over here, all right? Because it don't even matter. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. If you want to try it too, I would say follow their video. Don't follow mine. Just saying, you know. Very amateur. If my form is incorrect, don't correct me. I'm good. I got a trainer. 2 of them. Shout out to Matt. We good. But I'm just getting on here, 1, so y'all can keep me accountable, that I'm going to keep doing the things, because, like I said, we slimming down, all right? You know, they say summer bodies is made in the winter, but this body is just going to be made in summer. We're working on winter body, okay? So, with that being said, yeah, we're going to go ahead and get into this workout. As you can tell, this is not my area. It's not my thing. But we're going to make it my thing, and I'm going to fall in love with the process of making this my thing. Yeah. So anyway, let's get into this workout. Oh, my bad. And the shirt, the brand is, I think it's Spiritual Gangster. I got it from a closet sale. But nonetheless, this is the fit. Oh, and Metcon 6 on the feet. Shout out to Nita. Apple Watch is 6/18. It's my birthday time. But yeah, that's, I think fit-wise is a necklace. I don't remember. But yeah, I'm stalling. Can you tell?
I heard y'all were trying to unbig your back, snatch the waist, and still keep the glutes fat. Then welcome to part 1 of my Hourglass series focusing on back. As always, these are my credentials. Now let's get into this workout routine. Of course, starting off with my OxyShred gummies because that is what keeps me energized. Now let's get into this back routine that truly helped me see my results. Going into these seated single arm lat pull downs, I don't know if y'all saw my thumb placement, make sure that the thumbs are in line with the other fingers. Into these bent over rows that'll really target your lats. Listen, the upper back matters just as much as the lower back, so get into these face pulls, 3 sets of 15 till failure. And continuing with the upper body strength, military presses, 3 sets of 15 till failure. Again, please make sure you're training with intention. If you know you can do at least 3 more, please don't give up on yourself. Just continue to do more. I'm doing these front raises into lateral raises and finishing out with these around the world. Y'all try this workout and let me know how it goes.
Here you want to train your back using dumbbells only. This workout is for you. I've been on this page for a while now. I've been trying to get my back teed. As always, those are my credentials. Grab some space, no excuse, and let's get into it. As always, we're starting with around the world. Regardless if I'm doing cables or dumbbell, I always am going to start my back days with an around the world, because personally, it just gets my back muscles fired up. Also, this is one I will never, ever take out of my back day. Remember to embrace that core. Right on into some reverse flies. These are so T, y'all, and you should definitely be focusing on that pin. If you know, you know. If you don't, you essentially just want to make sure you are pinching your 2 shoulder blades together at a pause at the top. One kind of reminds me of reverse flies. It essentially has the same movement. However, you are just not bent over, you're standing up. If you prefer to do one over the other, nothing wrong with that. Just remember to embrace your core. So try to focus on that pinch with those shoulder blades. Going right on into some alternate raises. Even though this one is working my back muscles, shoulders were actually on fire. This is a reminder, even though exercises look simple, it can definitely burn. Also, I think is my favorite thing about my new style of training is only a dumbbell workout. Doing workouts that my body actually enjoys. It's been a huge game changer for me. Obviously, what you do on one side, you'll have to do on the other. Going into some lateral raises, same kind of mechanism, but you're using both arms this time. You want to make sure you're still engaging that core, really focusing on the muscles that you are trying to work. As always, go nice, slow, and controlled. Right on into my favorite of fave, the gorilla row. I've seen multiple ways to do gorilla row. However, I was kind of always taught the opposite elbow that you're reaching back. Actually, try to touch the other side of your hip. Not actually going to touch, but you get the picture. Right on into some bicep work. Really don't add biceps into my back day. I was also recording for my program. Also, if you haven't heard, I am putting out a 6-week group coaching program. Super excited for it to drop. So it reminds me, if you like this style of video, definitely want to check out my group coaching because the program is going to be made up of videos just like this. Also, it doesn't hurt to add biceps or triceps in when you are doing a back. I only had about 45 minutes to get this workout in. Yeah, let me know if y'all like this and let me know if you try it. Okay, bye.
Well, the first workout requires you to sit. And I ain't got no bench. So, we gonna get creative. Okay, so, well, I also don't have a lat, or like a pull down machine. So, I got a resistance band. And we gonna get creative, okay? Because sometimes you just gotta make it do what it do, okay? So she was seated, but what if I don't sit? Okay, so we got a little creative. I found a seat. So we gon', her thumb was like up like that on the machine. But we gon' just pull this resistance band. I can see where it's working. How many I gotta do? Ooh, I am not prepared for all of this. Merciful. Wait, she left me. What she said? Okay, so it's seated single arm lat pull downs, underhand bent over rows, face pulls, military press, dumbbell front raise into lateral raise around the world. She ain't say how many to do, so I don't know. But we finna figure it out. Oh wait, she did. 3 times 15 till failure. I don't want to fail. I don't know what that means. Okay, so single arm. So 15 on.
Tell me how you feel. Tell me what you see. A certified diabetes, deserve Louis 1-3. 150 a shot, 3 for you and 3 for me. I'm checking your body language. I love the conversation. And when you lick your lips, I get a tingling sensation. Now with both bite tips and you say you in the mood. All I need is about an hour. Better yet, maybe two. Let me take you where I live. Ferrari switch gears. When I whisper in your ear, your legs hit the chandelier. Passion through the sex all in the atmosphere. I'ma let T-Pain sing so he can make it clear. I'ma ride your train. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. I'll be in the great Cadillac. We in the
I don't know how well my form is on these, but you know what? I didn't realize I could just stick y'all onto the bar. I did. It's metal. We're new here. So anyway, now we got face pulls. Let me see if I can move the camera. Okay, so this is as far as it'll go. Okay, it's tracking me. So try not to knock the camera off of there. So I have face pulls. I feel like I need to be closer. All right, y'all can see what's happening, right? Just know I'm doing the things, okay? I don't know how I feel about this angle, but let's get the job done. We track it. I'm gonna be honest, this is the first time I've ever gotten this thing to actually track me, which is actually pretty cool because I don't know what I did to do that. So there's that. Ooh. Okay. What's today? Sunday? By Tuesday, I'm gonna be walking around like this. But yeah, I'm excited. Hold my poodle. Oof. Me. There I am. Y'all, quit trying to fall on the floor. Almost dropped my dumbbell, almost dropped the camera, almost dropped everything. This is gonna not be fun. What does it say? Gimbal protect. Okay. Oh yeah, no. No, we gonna try. We gonna try. We gonna try. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, we gonna go a little 8 maybe. Maybe this is like the first thing that we did, but the fact that this is not, girl, in a minute we might have grabbed these 5s. She ain't strong again yet. Oh my gosh. And it lost me. So we got them 8s, and we gonna see. We've already done 3 or 4. Girl, gotta move to the 5s. This is terrible. Okay, posture, core. Y'all, it's heavy, and I only got the 8s. Okay, I'm gonna finish this set, and we might move down 5s. This is crazy. 10. Okay, that was literally one set, y'all. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're moving down to 5s. I ain't got no shame in my game. Okay? And if these too heavy, we gonna move to the 3s. Okay? Oh, camera find me. The subject ain't lost, you lost. I feel like my arm's gonna detach from my body. Listen, I said I was gonna do that other workout with this one. Baby, this might be the one. And the only. Oh, one more. One giant step for mankind. Nadine, 100. Tell me, is it love? Is it love, baby? Even my water bottle feel heavy. Oh my gosh. I ain't gonna be able to type this week at work. I'm gonna be like, is there such thing as a wheelchair for arms and back? I'm gonna need it. This is probably the hardest one. But it also is just showing me like what I need to work on. My upper body ain't never been like the strongest, but at one point I had gotten it fairly strong. So I know it's possible. It's just, okay, just doing this part of my arm is heavy. But I know that it is possible. So there's that. I don't want to do 2 more sets, but I'm going to. I don't want to do it. It hurts. And see, this is why I be needing a trainer, because I need somebody who's going to be like, I don't care, do it anyway. This is just the halfway mark. Help. Am I doing too much? I could be doing too much, because also I don't be knowing limits and things. I don't know like what I should and should not be doing. But I also feel like I just be wanting to push myself, because I don't want to just do like the bare minimum either. Because we're trying to get results, right? I'm a little girl, because around the world, is it Oh gosh. I don't even have a weight. So is it weight here and then bring it up? Jeez Louise. Okay. Help me. Oh. Upper back, lower back, upper back, lower back. We're trying to unbig the back. My back ain't even that big, if we're being for real. But whatever, it all comes together. Baby, we might move down to the 3s. I just don't have, like, literally even just my arms. Because then old girl did reverse fly, which is this, G's. So then after that is alternate raises, torture. Okay, this isn't as bad, but mind you, I don't have weights yet. And then lateral raise, that's this. And then gorilla rows is here. So I could probably go heavier here, but I might have to go lighter for the other things, just keep it at a buck. We don't know if we have that in us right now. So around the world, I'm gonna try it with the 5s, and then we finna see. I'm gonna put these 3s on deck. Just way. I guess they have to be, right? Okay. We're gonna step up a little bit. Where do I end? I probably need to watch the video, but I need to watch the Beyonce Experience. This has been a minute. Oh, I guess I could do it centered to y'all. Oof. I will say that's one thing about, like, kind of having 2 different size bodies on one body. Is like my hips and all this is so big, but in comparison my waist is small, so all my pants be like falling at the waist but fitted at the hips. Like, how that work? That's okay. We gonna get them more aligned a little bit. Goodness gracious. We're just gonna sit these right here, because I don't want to go anywhere else. Ooh, ooh. Oh gosh, this is gonna hurt. This is going to hurt. Sweet heavens. Who you do, 'cause I'm gonna back around. I'm acting up sexy. I'm bringing sexy back, okay?
Yeah,